Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Lazy Media bringing you another video today. And today we're going to be showing you how to use Bitwarden. And if you self-host Bitwarden or Vaultwarden, you can use this to connect to your own server. This is mainly going to be used for my users. Alright, so there's going to be two things we do today in this video. One, we're going to be downloading and installing this client. This is your desktop client that you're going to be using. This is the main thing that connects with your browsers and lets you enable authentication such as fingerprints and your Windows Hello. So to get this, we're going to open up our browser and we're just going to navigate to bitwarden.com and click on this downloads button right here. Scroll down a little bit until you see desktop applications. And then we're going to click on this standard installer right here and click and download it. I already have it downloaded and installed, as you can see, but once that's downloaded, just run it and install it like normal, and then you will be presented with this screen right here. So if you're using my services, then you're going to want to click on this right here and click on self-hosted. Type in the URL of my Vaultwarden or Bitwarden instance, which is going to be https:// and then vault.lazymedia.media. And then we're just going to hit the save button right here. And then from there, you're going to type in your credentials and then make sure to click on remember me and hit continue. And then since I already have this set up and installed, I'm just going to open up my vault right here. Don't worry, you're not going to see any of my passwords or anything, but you will see that I have a bunch of stuff stored in here. And then in order to set up your Windows Hello with this, we're going to want to go up to File right here, click on the Settings, and then scroll down till you see Windows Hello. Once you check that, you should have a little pop-up box come up with your Windows Hello verification, asking you to verify that it's you. Once you scroll down a little bit more, I usually check all of these so that way it starts at your computer startup and then just starts into your tray icon so that way you don't see it. It just runs in the background basically. And then you also want to make sure that you enable this allow browser integration. This will allow biometric unlock in browsers except for Safari. Alright, once you're done with that, scroll down until you see close and hit close. And now to install this into your browser, going to open up your browser again and then just scroll up a little bit and then click on whichever browser you use. I am using Brave right now, so we're going to just click on Brave and hit download now. And then as you can see, it takes you automatically to the Bitwarden password manager page. We're just going to click on add to Brave, add extension, and then once that is installed, you should see it pop up real quick up here and then disappear. In order to have it show all the time, then you just click on this little extensions button right here and then pin it. Now it'll show up all the time right there. And then we just do the same process as we did before. Make sure you click on accessing bitwarden.com and then make sure you select self-hosted. Type in that URL again. And again, it's going to be https://vault.lazymedia.media. And then click save and then close. And then, like I said, log in again and you should have it up and running again. no time. And give me 1 second. I'm going to log in and I'll show you how to integrate the biometrics and Windows Hello with this. Alright, and now that we're back, I am all logged in. As you can see, I have all of my passwords right there. And then in order to enable the Windows Hello with this extension, we're going to click on it up here and then click on settings. And then we're going to click on account security and then just click on unlock with biometrics. This little warning is going to pop up. You're going to want to make sure you click on allow, and then it's going to lock you out again. So we'll just type in our password again real quick. And then log back in, click on settings again, click on account security again, say unlock with biometrics one more time, and then you should have your little biometrics pop up saying please scan your fingerprint, right? Scan your fingerprint, and now we're done. You can ask for biometrics on launch, so that way when you start up your browser and you first click on this, right, it'll ask you if you want to just automatically log in. So it'll just automatically pop up with your biometrics and ask you to log in. And I'll just show you that real quick. So we'll just lock that, right? And then as you can see, it just automatically came up, asked if you wanted to log in, and now we're logged in. All right.